हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करते हैं जुलाई 4th वीक के इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। और आप चाहें तो वीडियो को 1.5 की स्पीड से भी देख सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। रिसेंटली विच इंडियन एक्टर हैज़ गिवन गोल्डन वीज़ा बाय द यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स? कमल हसन। हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू CEO ऑफ वोडाफोन आइडिया? अक्षय मुंद्रा। Who has won 2022 French Grand Prix? Max Verstappen. When will Jammu Film Festival begin? 3rd September. Which state has become the first state in the country to connect all registered commercial vehicle equipped with vehicle location tracking device with emergency response support system? Himachal Pradesh. Who has been appointed as representative of International Association of Port and Harbors in India? Innarasu Karunesan. Which district has become India's first Har Ghar Jal certified district? Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh. In which city India's first of its kind brain health clinic opened? Bengaluru, Karnataka. Who has won a silver medal in the javelin at World Athletics Championship? Neeraj Chopra. Who has become the first Bangladeshi to scale K2 mountain peak? Wasifa Nazreen. Which state has launched a new tourism policy? Jharkhand. Which program has been launched by IIT Kanpur for startup? Nirham Accelerator Program. Who has become the highest paid fast moving consumer goods CEO? Saugata Gupta. In which city Union Home Minister Amit Shah has launched an EFIR filling system? Gandhinagar. 26th July Kargil Vijay Divas. Which bank has approved $96.3 million loan to provide safe drinking water and improve water supply in Himachal Pradesh? Asian Development Bank. Which two actors have been named as Best Actor at 68th National Film Award? Ajay Devgan and Surya. In which city a large statue of Chandrasekhara Azad to be installed? Bhopal. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Paytm Payments Service Limited? Nakul Jain. Who has been appointed as new Chief Economist and Senior Vice President for Development Economics of World Bank? Indermit Gill. Who has been appointed as Prime Minister of Kuwait? Ahmad Nawaf Al Ahmad Al Sabah. India has contributed how much amount to United Nations Relief and Work Agency for Palestine refugees? $2.5 million. Which book has been recently released on Dilip Kumar? In the Shadow of Legend Dilip Kumar, और ये बुक फैसल फारूकी द्वारा लिखी गई है। Who has won Global Energy Prize 2022? Professor Kaushik Rajasekhara. Which country will host ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025? India. International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem. और ये दिन हर साल 26 जुलाई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। द सेंट्रल रिजर्व पुलिस फोर्स CRPF ऑब्जर्व्ड इट्स 84th राइजिंग डे ऑन 27th जुलाई 2022. Which country decided to quit International Space Station after 2024? Russia. Which country will host the 2024 Women's T20 World Cup? Bangladesh. Which app has been launched for Gurugram Police by Haryana's CM Manohar Lal Khattar? Smart E-Beat. वर्ल्ड हेपेटाइटिस डे, और ये दिन हर साल 28 जुलाई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। थीम है ब्रिंगिंग हेपेटाइटिस केयर क्लोजर टू यू, और इसी दिन वर्ल्ड नेचर कंजर्वेशन डे भी ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। थीम है कट डाउन ऑन प्लास्टिक। Who have been named as India's flag bearer for 2022 Birmingham Commonwealth Games? PV Sindhu and Manpreet Singh. Which country has been approved to set up NBFC by the RBI? Piramal Enterprises. Which country has received the status of International Cricket Council membership status? Cambodia, Uzbekistan and Ivory Coast. इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे, और ये दिन हर साल 29 जुलाई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है, और थीम है इंडियाज लॉन्चेस प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर टू रिवाइव द टाइगर पॉपुलेशन। Which state became the first state in the country to launch semiconductor policy? Gujarat. Who is richest woman of India in 2022? Roshni Nadar Malhotra. In which city 22nd Commonwealth Games being held? Birmingham, United Kingdom. Who is new title sponsor for all international and domestic cricket matches organized by BCCI? MasterCard. Which state UT government launched Chief Minister's Breakfast Scheme? Tamil Nadu. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? Vikrant. Which cricket ground has been named after India's legendary cricketer Sunil Gavaskar? England, Leicester Cricket Ground. India's first all-women-run cooperative bank being launched in which state? Rajasthan. India has signed an MOU with which country to promote palm oil? Malaysia. Who has been appointed as India's next High Commissioner to Bangladesh? Pranay Verma. Which country has become the top country for FDI inflows into India in 2021-2022? Singapore. Which state UT will host Khed Mela from August 29? पंजाब. इंटरनेशनल फ्रेंडशिप डे, और ये दिन हर साल 30 जुलाई को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, और इसी दिन वर्ल्ड डे अगेंस्ट ट्रैफिकिंग, ये दिन हर साल 30 जुलाई को ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च मुख्यमंत्री महात्री न्याय रथ यात्रा? छत्तीसगढ़. What is the name of mobile app launched by Canara Bank? Canara AI One. Indian Space Research Organization has earned how much amount by launching 345 foreign satellites? $279 million. Balvinder Safri passed away. Who was he? सिंगर। चलिए, वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा। कमेंट करके बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा। थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम।